Hello everybody and welcome to Arabic with Amina. Today's lesson we are going to be talking about the detached pronouns in Arabic. There are different types of pronouns in Arabic. The pronouns, al-dhama'ir, can be invisible or covert, which is called mustatira. They can be visible, where they are shown in the sentence and written, bariza, and the visible pronouns are further divided into muttasila, attached, means they are attached to another word, and munfasila, which is detached, meaning they are their own word. In today's video, we're going to be covering the detached pronouns. So on to with the detached pronouns, or in Arabic, al-dhamir al-munfasil. These pronouns are written alone, separately from other words, so they are their own words in a sentence. The detached pronoun can be first person, mutakallim, second person, mukhatab, or third person, ghaib. So what does that mean? Well, first person or mutakallim is the person who is speaking. Mukhatab or second person is the person who you are talking to or the person who is listening. Third person or ghaib is someone you're talking about but they are absent. So we're first going to be talking about singular pronouns. The mutakallim or first person, the one who is speaking, in the singular form is me. I am speaking. In Arabic would be ana. The second person, or the person I am talking to, would be you, which in Arabic, according to the gender, if male would be anta, and if female would be anti. And the third person that we are talking about, who is not present, would be he or she. He in Arabic is huwa, and she in Arabic is hiya. Now we're moving on to the dual pronouns. So that means when we are two people. If you're not familiar with duals, check out our video on the duals. Now, in the first person, we are two people, we are talking. There's no specific form for duals in the first person, it's just we, which in Arabic is nahnu. When I am talking to two other people, in English that would be you, in Arabic, antuma, meaning both of you. And the third person in the dual form, which means we are saying they and are referring to two people, in Arabic would be huma. Now to talk about the plural pronouns, meaning we are using three or more people, the first person would be, in English, we would say we, which in Arabic, again, is nahnu. The plural second person, where we're talking to three people, depends on the gender. Are we talking to a group of males or are we talking to a group of females? In English, we would simply say you, and it would be implied that we are talking in the plural form. In Arabic, if male, it is antum, and if female, antunna. If you are talking to a group of people mixed of male and female, it's common to just refer to the male form, antum. And to talk about the plural third person, we would say they. Again, according to the gender, would be hum for males and hunna for females. And that's it. We covered all of the detached pronouns. So for a quick review, the first person could be ana in the singular form and could be nahnu in the dual or plural form. As for second person, if we are talking to a single person and is male, it'd be anta. A single female would be anti. Talking to two people, regardless of gender, would be antuma. Talking to a group of three or more, if male would be antum, and if female would be antunna. As for the third person, if we are talking about one person and he is male, we would say huwa. If female, hiya. If we are talking about two people, regardless of gender, would be huma. Talking about a group of people, they would be hum if male, hunna if female. So let's put what we learned into a few examples. We'll start with the first person, which is either I or we. Ana Amina, which means I am Amina. نحن نتكلم. We are speaking. A few examples for the second person pronouns. أنت مشاهد if male. أنت مشاهدة if female, meaning you are a viewer. أنتما مشاهدان when talking to two people, meaning you, both of you, you two, are viewers. Talking to a group of three or more people if male, أنتم مشاهدون, or female, أنتن مشاهدات. You are viewers. Now for third person pronouns. هو نائم if male. هي نائمة if female, meaning he or she is sleeping. When talking about two people, هما نائمان, they, referring to two people, are sleeping. When talking about three or more people, هم نائمون if male. هن نائمات if female, meaning they are sleeping. And that wraps up today's lesson about detached pronouns. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe for more videos. Like, share, and comment below any questions you may have. Thank you. See you next time in Arabic with Amina.